Hi everyone, it's 1:50 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria, and in the Philippines it's 7:50 na ng gabi guys. So ngayon guys, umuulan, malamig, kaya bigla akong napaluto ng ng munggo with with pork buto-buto. Ayan guys, oh. May kind of buto-buto guys. Loaded siya ng buto-buto guys. Ayan. Ang daming buto-buto guys. Kasi parang 1 kilong buto-buto yata ito guys. Ayan. 2 lang naman kami ng aking asawa ang kakain guys. Pero wala lang guys. Ayoko kasi magluto ng kaunti lang. Nakakapagod. So eto guys. No rice na tayo guys. Ito lang yung kakainin natin. 7 days na ako nag no rice guys. So munggo, kalabasa.